Hello. Louder. I need to be louder. Louder. Hello? Hello, 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 hello. There we go. Got negative 10 decibels. Hello, I'm alive. I made a new thumbnail. The Lorax has a gun. Too loud? Am I too loud? Okay. I was gonna oh wait, that's because I was making the thumbnail. I forgot, I literally made the thumbnail in like 2 seconds. Your Jibby upload in June? Fire. Alright. Well, I need to load up my software. I literally, like, I was playing Enter the Gungeon, and I had completely forgotten I was streaming tonight. Like, I completely forgot, and I was like, oh wait, crap. Was it? I don't think it was. Anyway, we're gonna make, okay. What is that sidebar? What do you mean? What's wrong with my sidebar? What am I eating? Ice cream. It's good. And yes, I did have time to get ice cream and not time to start stream. Alright, so we're gonna need to do 3D modeling again. I've realized. Which is gonna suck. Because I'm terrible at 3D modeling. But we'll see. Anyway, so I'm gonna open a text document. Well, ice cream. It's Neapolitan, so vanilla, strawberry, and ice cream. Vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. It's Neapolitan, so. So what do you mean? Vanilla's like the best ice cream flavor. And I will die on that hill. I'm absolutely not vibing out to JRPG music. Anywho, so we're gonna write up the ideas for today's game. So, Lorax, he has a gun. Pew pew. What's he shooting? Like, shooting at what's he shooting at? I don't know. I didn't even think this fast. He's shooting at something. His gun is something. Could just be a fully, like, it could just be an assault rifle. We could just give the Lorax an assault rifle if we wanted. I'm surprised Sirik hasn't shown up. He's like always at my streams. I need to make him mod. I've been meaning to do that. The gun is a something, and he's location. Whenever I went to ice cream places, I would get toasted waffle cream with 2 scoops of milk. Choc mint tastes like toothpaste, nerd emoji. I'm kidding, I actually really like choc mint. That's why I said nerd emoji, because a lot of people say that, and I don't understand why. It doesn't taste like toothpaste. It tastes so good. Like, yeah, I probably wouldn't eat it with orange juice. But, like, why would you? Anyway, this is about as far as I got into the, I was thinking make him shooting at the Onceler. Like, the Lorax has had enough. Like the one last tree got chopped down, and he's had enough. He's done. And I was thinking of making his gun just... What's it called? I was just thinking of making his gun just a tree that shoots out other trees. So I think that'd be a pretty good idea. I need to open up Task Manager. I always need to do this because it kills my... I cannot wait until I get a good computer, because I won't have to worry about things. Works as a PvP shooting at the Vietnamese. No. We're not making... We're gonna, unless someone comes up with a better idea than this, we're just gonna make him shoot at, the Wanzer. And his gun should just be a tree that shoots out other trees. That shoots out other trees. So that's the... Any other lore we should add to this game? Or should we just start getting into it? I'm thinking we should just get into it, but if anyone gets ideas, please let me know. What more could you... I'm not making the Lorax racist. He's not racist. Probably. I mean, he might be. He never really interacts with anyone but, like, capitalist white man. So he very well could be. We don't... What am I talking about? Is the Lorax racist? Film theory. Oh wait, he's retiring. Okay, okay, yeah, I think that's good. Alright, we're gonna now open Godot. And we're gonna make a new project. Make sure there's a... The final boss is Coolio. Wait, I could do that. I could make it once you kill... if you get through the level, you kill Coolio. Lorax, you here, and we'll use this folder. Version control? None. Don't need it. Did my software just crash? I think my software crashed. Oh no, it's here. Okay. So 3D scene. Ooh. Alright, so I know more things now. I'm gonna add a child node. We're gonna make a node 3D. Collision shape 3D. Shape. Box. We're gonna... No, that's not the right one. We're gonna stretch it. And then make it thinner. Visibility on. I need to give it a texture. If it was to make pixel art top-down game, what software would I use? I'd recommend Game Maker's good, but also Godot, which is what I'm using here. Godot's pretty good too. But yeah, so we got a platform. I just need to remember how to actually make the platform have a look. Can I? I don't remember how to make blocks have textures. How to make texture. Goodo. Images. No, not I need videos. That's a 13-minute. Here we go.
Just a simple little wood thing. It doesn't look that great, but I want to put it on a 3D cube in Godot. So I'm going to start by creating a 3D scene, add child node to that spatial node, and choose mesh instance.
Oh, mesh instance. That's what I need to use.
Under mesh, for mesh instance, I'm going to create a new cube mesh.
Okay, I'm just dumb. Not collision shape 3D. I need mesh. Never mind, I'm not good at this. Mesh instance 3D. The mesh is I want a plane. Yep. There we go. We have a surface. I need to have chat up. But yeah, software for pixel art top down. Either Game Maker or I guess Godot. Never Unity. I hate Unity. Use Godot. I'm now a Godot extremist. If you're using anything but Godot, you're terrible. And no one likes you. There we go. Okay, that should be good. Yeah. Actually, can I transform scale so it's actually a square? Oh, scale 2. There we go. It's not actually a square. No, why can't it? There we go. Game Maker it is. Why don't you? No, I changed my mind. Use Godot. Godot is the best one. Okay, so now I've got that. I want to create a capsule. What's this? I don't know what that is. Okay. We're gonna make a new child node. We're just gonna make blank node. Can I rename node? Rename. The world. This is the world, like JoJo's. Add child node. And this will be player. No, I didn't want a new. Yeah, actually. Mesh instance 3D. This one is a capsule. Can I get a capsule? Capsule. That's big. Okay, so that's the capsule. I've realized I need to make this bigger now. So we're gonna scale this up by... Like, if I link those... There we go. I want to set it to 20. There we go. Alright. Can I just chuck this onto the player? There's the player. This is the player for the time being until we get a different model in. Unless you want me to model now, in which case I guess I can. I want it to line up on the squares, so 15 it is. Nope, 16 it is. There we go. So each square is 8, it appears. Okay, so here's the player. Now we're gonna make a texture for the floor. We actually haven't discovered where the location of the game is. What should it be? What should we make the location of the game? You should change your name to Danny, because I using a capture. Everyone uses the capture as a player. Alright? And also, I'm not from Norway, so I can't be Danny. Because he's from Norway, and I'm not. I'm like the knockoff Danny. I'm like Danny Tutorials. Except that's not knockoff, that's just the side channel there he put like 2 videos on. Anyway, texturing time. We're not making Vietnam. We've been over this, we're not making Vietnam. Okay, file, new. We want a 16 by 16 texture. Right, the floor, I want a grass texture. This isn't Vietnam, I promise. And that's how you make a grass texture, like, really fast. Boom. Grass. That's it. Alright, so save as grass in documents. O projects. No, that's the last stream's one. That's just... Where does it go? Resources. I don't know where that is. Nope. Where is this? Open in file manager. Oh, it's literally in this folder here. Right, grass. Okay. Back to Godot. Where's supposed to find? Select current. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Does it have to be an SVG? Or did I not save it? File, save as. Oh wait, I'm just dumb. It's supposed to go in here. I just put it in the wrong folder. There we go. Okay. Geometry. Is it geometry? Yes. No. Visibility? No. Process? No. How do I do this? Oh wait, did I do it? Oh, here we go. Alright. Billboard? Enabled? That broke it. Okay, let's not do build. I don't know what that did. Detail? Nope. Bozo, how do you Godot? Professionally. Where do I find the texture? Oh, here we go. Texture. As a new image texture. Image is this one. Nope, I did it wrong again. Oh, mate, I know, right? I'm a professional. New mesh texture. New image texture. Can I just drag? How? Do I figure out how to make it less like broken? I'll have to listen to Bard something, the icon is blocking it. And to go through every single one. Fixed size? No, no, that. Grow? No. Billboard broke it earlier. UV1 and UV2, maybe? Oh, here we go. I figured it out. It's still very blurry, though. At 16, so we want it by 32. So there's 2 per tile. Beautiful. Are the coding abilities on all the same apart from the export conditions for content? Yeah, pretty much. Detail? No. Fresh. How do I make it less blurry? I don't know. I give up. Alright, we did it. Woo, we did it. This is the texture. Right, so now do I need to add a camera? You rename this to player. Rename player. Good enough. Add child node. Is there a camera? Camera 3D. Now, select current. Sure, I don't know where I saved it to. This is what we got so far. It used to be a first-person shooter as well, so this doesn't even work. Alright, let me go online. Godot FPS controller. It's 38. Here we go. This is in Godot 3. I'm on Godot 4.
Quickly before the video starts, I just wanted to let you guys know that while editing the video, I ran into some technical issues and I'm late again. Well, guess who's back, suffering from a cold and has the time to waste on a stupid intro? This guy. Wait, that's not right. Step 1.
Oh wait, Godot 4.
Step 2.
Here we go.
Before I start, I have a sore throat too. If I sound weird, please bear with me. Okay, let's do this one more time. My name is Nagi, and for the past 6 years, I've been making games. Let's cut to the chase.
It's a reference.
I'm gonna open up the project settings. Physics.
Alright, I'm back. Sorry, my sister came in my room. Alright, what is happening?
And change the value for gravity. I don't like the default value, so I double it to make it feel a bit more realistic. Next, I'm gonna go to the
I'm not changing gravity.
the FPS controller. I'll add the forward, backward, left, and right actions and set them to W, S, A, and D key.
Okay, so input map. I don't know how to reach that. Project setting. Input map. Add new action. Add new action. Forward. Left. Right. Backward. How do I... No, W. Okay. Left. I definitely didn't just pull up the L's in real life to figure out which is which. There we go. Okay, back to the tutorial.
Respectively. I'll also add the jump and crouch actions and set them to spacebar and
Jump and crouch. Jump. There we go.
Control. With the setup done, let's create the player. I'll create a new scene and add a character body 3D as the root.
Character body. Wait, what? I just made all this for nothing? You something? I just made all this for nothing. That sucks. Oh well.
Then, I'll add a collision shape 3D and set its shape to be a capsule with the radius set to 1, the height to 4, and the position along the y-axis set to 2.
Alright. I missed that. That was too much. That was too much.
To 1, the height to 4, and the position along the y-axis.
No, so I need a the player other node. Player. No. What was it called? Does anyone remember what it was called? What they added? Because I don't. What'd they add?
A and D keys respectively. Done. Let's create the player. I'll create a new scene and add a character body.
Character body. Okay, I'm gonna. Actually, no, I want paint open still. Alright, still going fine. I just need to close some tabs real quick. Alright, okay, it's fixed. Back to what I was doing. So, Godot. Search. Character body 3D. With the collision shape 3D. Which is a capsule of size 1 and 4. I think that's what it was, yeah, and at a position of 2. Was that right?
Body 3D as the root. Then I'll add a collision shape 3D and set its shape to be a capsule with a radius set to 1.
Oh no, I put it in the wrong spot. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Here. Radius 1, height 2, was it?
The height to 4, and the position along the y-axis.
Okay, I had one of those bits right. This bit is 2. This bit is 4. I did it. I'm following a tutorial.
Set to 2. I'll add a node 3D, rename it to head, and add a camera to it. Set
A node 3D and add head. Love me adding head for the player. Camera. Wait, node 3D or. Oh, a node. Okay, my bad. I'm dumb. Node 3D and then add here a camera 3D.
Set the position of the head where you'd like it to be. For me, I set it to 3 units along the y-axis.
I'm just gonna do what they're doing. Wait, what bit did they move? Oh wait, rename this to head. And then move it to 3 on the y-axis.
With that, we can move to writing the code. Select the root node of the player and click on the attach script icon up here. Rename the script to your liking. Oh, and remember, we'll have to write a lot of code, so pay close attention. Godot 4 introduced new code templates which set a lot of the movement code already, which makes my job hard because if everything is already done, what do I have to teach now? Let's start with changing the speed and jump constants to export variables so that we can change them easily from the inspector. I'll also rename the variables to lowercase since they're not constants anymore.
Okay, so I keep opening paint. I'm just gonna select those in taskbar. Add script, name it. What am I naming the script? Player. Whoa! It did it all for me. I need to export. Why is it red now? Why is it red?
And I like to follow good coding practices.
Why is it red? Oh wait, it's because it's not saying var. Oh wait, that's why. I figured that one out on my own.
Next, I'll change all the input actions in the script to the ones we just created.
Ah, that's cool. I'm gonna move this to my second monitor for a sec, just so I can. So, left, right, up, down.
Then,
Oh, this is jump apparently. Jump.
let's refactor the gravity and jump code so that we can include the crouching code later on in the video. Now, let's test out the code. I'll save the player scene in its own folder and open up the demo scene that I definitely did not recycle from my last tutorial. I'll instantiate the player scene in this one using the instantiate button.
Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. This is a cool thing about Godot. So let me save the player scene as player. Right, this is a cool thing about Godot here. Back to here. Now I can make a new scene, 3D scene. So this it wasn't all for nothing. But I did undo it all. So let's delete that. We're gonna make the world mesh instance 3D. That is a plane of size 16. No, sorry, size 8. Oh no, it's better now. Right, size 4x4. Beautiful. Material. Plop that in there. With its UV1 being... What's UV2? Nothing. It doesn't do anything. Wait, what does triplanar do? I still don't know how to make it not blurry, by the way. Oh well. If I just... Now if I make it really small... See, now it looks like glass. And now... Instantiate player. Player is massive for some reason. That's a big player. I don't think it's supposed to be that big, but you know what? Who cares?
The cool thing about instantiating a scene in another is that you can not only have multiple instances of it in the same scene, but also if you update the original scene, the changes reflect everywhere. Anyway, let's run the game using the F5 key or the play button up here. I'll select the demo room as my main scene, and there you go. The player can move and jump.
Wait, does that work now? No, play. No, it... Oh wait, save. This one is the new Node 3D. Yes. I fell through the world. How do I add collision? I don't know how to add collision. Can I add a collision? Add child node. Collision shape 3D. Here we go. No, the shape is a box. We're just gonna move the box down a little bit and then size it out. Probably a much better way of doing this, but you know what? I don't really care. I just need content for my video I'm working on, which can't say what it is yet. Should come out soon though. Soon TM. Shrink it. Is that it done now? Now is it right? No, I still fall through. It doesn't have an... What? Do I need to make a new node? New child node. Shape. No. Let me try area. No, let me try. Yeah, area 3D. Area 3D. Now add collision shape 3D. And make this a box. Which is that. There we go. Does this oh, it stretches both. Alright, that's really useful. That to there, and then that to there. And now does it work? No. Please, game. I'm gonna give it a collision real quick. No, it already has a collision. So why does it fall through? What is happening? I'll figure it out, I promise. Wait, there's an error. With this non-uniform scale, this error is probably not. Make sure the scale uniform. Alright, the same on all axes. Ah, because it's area. Can I change the node? No. Okay, I'm gonna move this to here for a sec. Delete this. Then add a static body 3D. I'm professional, guys. Static body 3D. And then attach that. We just have to set them all to the same. Yes. Okay. Does this work now? Whoa. Shift tab to begin. Thank you, Steam. Thank you for letting me know. Wait, can I open up the Steam overlay in this? I can. That's great. Now, if I'm to shrink this, how do I shrink all four? Is that an option? No. Okay, I just need to... transform. Here we go. Scale. Just shrink it down. Right down to there. There we go. Okay. Thank you, Steam. I know. It's gonna do that every time, isn't it? Okay. We're getting somewhere. It's only taken us how long? So how long have I been streaming for? I don't know where it says. So, oh yeah, like 43 minutes. Great. Okay, back to the video.
I'm using the keys we set in the input map. Quite stiff though. Let's fix that. I'll start with adding an export variable for the acceleration and set it to 16.
Acceleration. Alright. So we're gonna go back to player. And go to this script. Okay, so what has he got? So he's got both of speed and jumper. Maybe that's why you don't like your jumping. The gravity, sorry. Because it's a... I don't know. I'm gonna export this too. I need acceleration equals... I'll do 10. I probably spelled acceleration wrong, to be honest.
Down in the code where we set the velocity, let's load the current value to the desired value.
Speed and excel by delta. Okay, so line like 1920. Oh no, it's line 26. If direction velocity x equals... very different code. Velocity x equals warp velocity dot x wait, I'm great at this, guys, trust me. Is direction dot x times speed, sorry, speed acceleration, oh no, Steam overlay, go away. What did I do? Alright, speed acceleration. Why is this whole area? Can I just control Z? Alright, velocity. You making Lorax? I am making the Lorax. I'm giving him a gun. Dot X. I forgot what the tutorial said again. Okay, direction X. I'm a professional programmer. Dot X. Speed. Sorry. Speed. Acceleration. Times delta. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Times delta. Yippee, now I just need to repeat that here. Warp velocity dot z is direction dot z times by speed acceleration times delta, close parentheses. Yippee!
Acceleration times delta. While we're at it, let's change the stopping code to use the acceleration value as well. Now, the player not...
Oh, really?
While we're at it, let's change the stopping code to...
Oh wait, that's like pretty much the exact same thing that's written here, so I'm just gonna copy that. Paste that, and I will do the edits that the guy did in a second. mlerp, that's not right. Velocity x, since of this, it's 0, 0. 0.0, not 0, 0. It's not a vector. Not a vector 2, I should add.
Use the acceleration value as well. Now, the player not only moves more smoothly, but you can control the amount of acceleration right from there.
I don't actually know if... I didn't actually test if the moving worked or not. Yeah, I didn't actually test if I could move around. Oh, I can. Something's wrong here. Oh! Something is very wrong here. I can't move forward. I can only move backwards. I can only move backwards and forwards when walking sideways. I'm getting a lot of errors. What's happening in debugger? Up doesn't exist. Oh wait, it's forward. I'm dumb. Forward and backward. Backwards. Save. Oh, I didn't mean to expand or just clear. Clear console. Why do I walk forward when doing that? Why do I like teleport forward? I could jump. You know, this is a gimmick of the game. I can't be bothered to fix this. You move forward very fast. I might slow down the acceleration or speed. New. You move like when you walk sideways, you go on an angle. But you know what? It's professionalism. Alright, we got that working.
The inspector. Looking at the same direction while moving is kind of jarring though, so let's add some camera rotation. I'll start with including a reference to the head in the script and define a variable to store the look rotation. In the ready function, I'll set the mouse mode to capture so the mouse doesn't run to the edges of the screen when looking around. Then in the input function, I'll check if the so the mouse doesn't run to the edges of the screen.
Okay, I'm gonna move this to my other monitor. So I can write code effectively on my own. I don't steal code. Stealing code's for losers. I'm sorry. I am bad at coding. So, in here, create a... Oh. Create a reference to the head. So, on ready, head. So the variable of head should equal that. Yep. No error here. I'm actually gonna remove the comments. Let me just get rid of these comments. Okay, that works. Alright, and then the look underscore rotation. It's not what it said in the tutorial either. I'm just a professional. It's a vector 2. Well, yeah, that makes sense. And then... Oh wait, I'm dumb. I'm bad at coding GD script. I forgot a colon here. Function underscore ready. Declaring a function here. See, I know what I'm doing. Input dot set underscore mouse underscore mode. I will be right back. I don't know, I might be 10 minutes. My family is screaming at me because I need to do clothing. I'll be right back. I'm back. I've returned. Turn that BRB off. Don't need it. Is my chat updating, or is there just no one here who cares about me? I guess it's that, isn't it? Wow.
when looking around. Then in the input function, I'll check if the input event is of the type input event mass motion and subtract the input's
So I need function. I need underscore input. I don't know what this one does. Input event. I don't know what this one does, but I'll figure it out. If event is input event mouse motion. I forgot the colon at the end, but I'll add it in a sec. Event.relative.x, and now I need to just chuck that colon in there.
relative x from the rotations y and the input's relative y from the rotation.
Oh wait, I need dot x and dot y. Just do. Dot y. Dot y.
X. I love making these animations. Next, at the end of the physics process function, I'll set the head's x rotation to the look rotations x and the character body's y rotation to the look rotations y. The reason
I will probably need to, I've just realized I'm probably going to need to figure out how to clamp these things, because otherwise I'm probably going to be able to look, head dot rotation underscore degrees or dot x equals look underscore rotation dot x, and then rotation. I spelled that wrong. Rotation underscore degrees dot y equals look underscore rotation dot y. I'm a
I
professional.
don't set the rotation of both the axes to the character body is because we don't want this or this or this. God, get this off the screen. Anyway, you should have a perfectly working camera control. Wait, that's not right. I'm gonna
On the video,
see,
I already knew.
set to 0.5, the minimum angle of the camera's rotation set to negative 80, and the maximum angle set to 90.
Yeah, let's add those variables that guy just added.
Rotation set to negative 80, and the maximum angle set to 90.
There's something wrong here. Wait, I missed something in this tutorial, didn't I?
That's not right. This off this don't want. Why? The reason I
Rotation under... Oh, I forgot an S. What? Great. I'm a professional. You know what they call me? A professional. That's my full legal name. First name last name professional. .5. Just gonna copy this bit here. Min underscore angle was minus 80, and then max underscore angle equals 90. I'm also just gonna update these because these are annoying me. Speed, and now I'm gonna get a bunch of errors. Speed, but that'll tell me where I need to update. Speed, yep. Okay, no more errors. Next is acceleration, which I'll just shorten to Excel. 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 I'm professional programmer. Excel, that's exec. Excel, and then Excel. Professionalism right here. And then finally, I'll just get jump. Jump. Which is literally just this one here. Jump. There we go. I fixed my variables.
Then, in the input function, I'll multiply the relative values with the sensitivity, and after that, clamp the X rotation between the minimum and the maximum angles.
I actually understand that. Look, underscore rotation. It appears I forgot some clothes. Look, rotation dot x equals clamp. No, it's from Unity. Look, rotation dot x minimum angle max angle.
With that, we're done with the camera rotation.
Yeah, so they're clamped.
What was that? If only there was a way to go inside.
I'm nearly finished the tutorial, guys.
While crouching, we'll not only make the head's position lower along the y-axis, but also shrink the size of the collision shape so the player can crawl through tiny spaces. For that, let's define some more export variables. The first would be the height we want the player to be when crouching. I'll set it to 2. The next variable defines how fast the player would change between standing and the crouching positions. Let's include a
I need a var, and it's crouch underscore height, which is equal to 2. You guys said 2.0, I should say. Crouch underscore transition is equal to 8.0 apparently.
reference to the collision shape and define a variable to store the standing height of.
Hello, you're finally here. I was waiting for you to appear. I was waiting. Variable stand underscore height. Watching this tutorial here.
The player. I'll set its value in the ready function to the collision shape's height.
It's on ready. Stand underscore height is equal to collision underscore shape dot height. What do you mean that's wrong? That's what the tutorial says to do.
Down after the input function, I'll define a function crouch.
What do you mean it's wrong? It's what the
Its
the
value
tutorial
in the
said to do
collision
it.
shape's height.
What? No. This is what it said to do. I'm looking at this. Of course, the moment Cyric appears is the moment everything stops working. But also, hello, Cyric.
Down after the input function, I'll define a function crouch with the parameter reverse set to false. This value will be used to shift between the standing and the crouching positions. In the function, I'll define a variable target height, which will be the crouching height if we are not reversing, otherwise it will have the value of standing height. Then, the function will set the collision shape's height to the target
Oh, I accidentally clicked forward in the video.
if we are not reversing, otherwise it will have the value of standing height. Then, the function will set the collision
Collision shape not declared in the current scope. That's this right here. Oh yeah, I do. I need to do it probably the same way I did this. I'm gonna actually rename this to player collision. Yes, I know what I'm doing. Collision. Yeah, you need to use it using the dollar thing. And then I can just... Does that fit? There we go. See, I know what I'm doing. Professional. To be honest, I would have... If you hadn't typed it just then, I probably would have looked at the error code and then realized.
Shape's height to the target height, and its position to half of the target height. Lastly,
We
set the
declare a
position along the
function.
y-axis to the target height -1. Lastly, I've set the head's position along the y-axis to the target height.
Alright, let me create a new function, because I know how to do this now. It's pretty much the same as creating, what are they called? What's it called in C#? The thing that starts with void. Methods, that's it. Yeah, they're pretty much just methods. I'm a nerd now. Well, I wouldn't call myself a nerd. I barely know how to code in this, but... I am getting there. It's crouch underscore height. I'm very good at typing. That says crouch, not crouch. Equals target height. Collision shape dot shape dot height equals target underscore height. I put an extra line there, didn't mean to. Actually, you know what? Yes, I did. I'm dumb. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Oh, wait, Wait, I started combining... So is this 3D? Yes. I just realized I wrote this incredibly wrong. What? Crouch. Score. Height. Not. Why do I keep typing crouch? This crouch. Will it be multiplayer? No. I'm not ready for that. I could barely get multiplayer working in Unity, and I have been using Unity for ages. I've barely used Godot. Maybe I'll make a multiplayer game for a video one day. Maybe I did it. Collision shape dot position dot y equals target underscore, that is a plus, a height times 0.5. Just making sure I didn't type crouch in there. Head dot position dot y equals target underscore height -1. Perfect.
Height -1.
Okay. Let's go up to here, because I actually need to add the right jump. else, oh, that's wrong. Else, if input dot is underscore action underscore just underscore press jump. Wait, I already did that bit. I'm dumb. I already wrote that bit. I'm very smart, trust me guys. I'm smart. Could do it here actually. Hey big brain, I just got out of an 8v1 in a game, went on YouTube and found out you're doing a stream, so hey Haiti, it's me, I'm streaming. I'm streaming. I'm a professional. Okay, anyway, am I coding again? Oh yeah. Else if input dot is underscore action underscore just underscore press jump colon, don't forget the colon, velocity dot y equals jump wait, what did I name my variable again? It's all lowercase. Okay. I was trying to remember what I named my variable. Else if input else if that's not right. Wait, something, my brain is having a fart. Yep, L if I had to look it up. It's dumb, but I'll deal with it. L if Lorax. I'm making Lorax but 3D. Oh yeah, I missed the comment. Recap. Yeah, I'm making Lorax but 3D. That's about it. Else if input dot is underscore action underscore pressed crouch, because I put this in earlier. Crouch, call the method, except it's called a function in this. Oh, that's wrong. Do I not? I can't spell. Cronk. I can spell, I promise. Welcome to the stream, Top Hat. Yes, he will have a gun. I need to make a gun, but he will have. I will give the Lorax a gun. What a great time. Why do I keep typing crouch? What is crouching? I know crouching, but crouch? What is crouch? Sounds like you chew on something.
Running the game now, the player crouches, sure, but there is no game juice. Remember that crouch transition value we defined earlier? Let's use that. Back in the crouch function, let's define another parameter delta and load all the values to their target values using crouch transition.
No, I don't need any more. I'm actually gonna get rid of this crouch transition. This is for nerds. I really hope I coded it right, because I definitely... Oh! Uh-oh. I did the X and Y backwards. What about gun? I missed that. I haven't added it yet, but I will be. I made it so we... Well, I've done something wrong and I closed the tutorial. So I have to figure out how to do it myself. So it does clamp, but why does it do the wrong rotations? Why does it do the wrong rotations? It's here, right? I need to pull back up the tutorial. I did something wrong.
Real quick before I start, I have a
I wonder if the code is just in the Oh, links to the project on GitHub. I can just steal his code. Yo, I can just steal his code. Let's go. Wait, control A. Steal his code. So I need to make these capitals because I gave them capitals on mine. Programming, guys. Programming. I wonder how much better it's gonna work now. Oh. What do you mean expected? What do you mean expect? It's a blank line. Where is it expecting the parentheses close? What-oh. We've got an error, guys. Where is it? Oh, did I not copy the whole... I didn't copy the whole script, that's why it's close parentheses. I realized it just said dealt. Locked or lacking permit... Is my hard drive full? No, I've still got 34 gig. What do you mean lacking permissions? What? Huh? Oh wait, because this is different. Oh my goodness. A typical function is colliding. Where? Where are you attempting to call this? I should just finish watching the video. Oh, because I need to add a raycast. I should finish this video. Nah, this isn't the Dorax. This is the Lorax. Sorry, I wasn't looking at chat. I was trying to fix things. No, this isn't the Dorax. This is the different characters.
If I sound weird, please bear.
Okay.
At the start of the physics process function, I'll define a variable move speed and set it to the walk speed by default. At the start when crouched. To the code, I'll add a reference to the shapecast and the position along y22.
I found where he adds it.
Node to the player's root shape to check. And in the vent, under the slope. Now, even if crouching seems to be working fine, there's still one issue. Under the slope, if I release the crouch button, the player slides until it reaches its standing height. And in the vent, oh well. To fix it, we'll use a shapecast node. It's like a raycast but 3D. It'll be casting the shape to the top of the player's collision shape to check if it's colliding with anything when the player wants to stand. I'll add a shapecast node to the player's root and rename it to topcast. Remember,
So add it to the player's root, add chart node. What's it called? Shapecast, I believe. Yep. Shapecast 3D. Rename to topcast.
it's good practice to name your nodes according to their function. I'll set the shape to a sphere with a radius 0.9 so it doesn't collide when the player is standing. I'll set the target along the Y to 1 and the position along Y
Who's here? So what's the position that he set it to? I wasn't paying attention.
to 2, collide when the player is standing.
Okay, shape is sphere. Spherical. It is 0.9.
I'll set the target along the Y to 1 and the
Along the Y to 1.
position along Y to 2.
And the position along... Where's that? Oh, in transform. Position along the Y to
Coming back
2.
to the code, I'll add a reference to the
Alright, I got it now. I don't need that video anymore, probably. Could you make Freddy and... I can't see it because of the stupid heart. You can see chat pop up on chat. I could just do this. I could have chat here. There we go, guys. It's the live chat. An enemy? You can have the live chat on stream. No, I won't do that. I need to put it back. Like, it won't dock back. There we go. Alright, let's see if it works now. Yippee! Oh, uh-oh, things are breaking. I do need to lower the speed by quite a bit. Speed is 4. Acceleration is 8. Well, that's a bit of a high jump, considering the everything else. Okay, wait, can I actually... Can I edit this live? Jump? I'm just gonna chuck that to 3. Let's see how that goes. Does this edit live? No, it doesn't. Oh, it's way nicer. Way nicer movement. Look at this. I can move. I don't know what happened where it made it so when I move sideways I teleport backwards or forwards. I don't know what I did with my code earlier. But it works now. When I hold control, I still move very fast. Oh, it's because there's a crouch speed. I was moving as fast as normal speed. Okay, now I need to give him a gun. How do I do that? I do not know how to give the Lorax a gun. First we should probably make a gun. So, you know what it's time for? I don't have Blender on this computer. Wait, do I not have Blender? Apparently I don't have Blender on this computer. So, time for the next best thing. I think you can export to OBJ in this software. Generic model. Target Blender Unity, yes. File name Lorax. Not Lorax. This is Lorax because he has a gun. It's time for block bench. Add cube. How do I rotate? Oh yeah, I forgot the controls for this software are weird. Alright guys. Let me get my Lorax. Actually, I could probably just import. I don't know where I saved him to. I don't think I saved him. Okay, so I need images of the Lorax. What better way to speak for the trees? Exactly. So I'm saying, what is the move button again? V. Why is V the move button? That's weird. I don't like this. I forgot how much I hate the controls in this software. Resize. Oh, that's not right. His legs. He has very short legs. I've just now realized. Right. Add. I only just now realized he has like very short legs. It's quite fat though. I mean, it is Danny DeVito after all. I could just make him a square. I could just make him as a square. No, I won't. He won't be animated again. I'm gonna point out I'm bad at animation, so he will again not be animated. Now I need another cube. V. This would be his head. Professional 3D modeler at work, yeah. I do have a degree of 3D modeling, by the way. You believe it or not, I am actually a professional 3D modeler. Believe it or not. Whether I use those skills is a different thing. What's this? This looks like a thing from something I know. He will be T-posing. Or you could say tree posing. Insert laugh track here. I don't have a stream deck, so I can't make insert laugh track. Alright, next give him arms. Oh, what did I hit? I don't know what button I hit, and now I'm scared. Edit, there we go. Alright, he gets arm. We'll have him T-posing. I guess that's a good spot for his arm. What's the keybind again? I don't use this software very often. I prefer to use Blender. What is the scale tool? No. S. Why is it S? That's such a weird keybind. Let me rotate by. That's on the Y. Wait, what? Yeah, I need it on the X-axis. Nope, the Z-axis. That's what I meant to say. Rotate by 10. My cat's gone missing. I gotta go find my cat. I'll be right back. My cat is gone. We found him. He was under a bed. we did indeed find him. Is that good enough? I need to copy and paste and make it 0. Have it go this. No. Come out this way. Put this back. -10. There we go. This is the Lorax. This is the Lorax so far. Now we need his face. We need his face. Okay, so are we gonna make his eyes like pop out, or are we gonna do what we did last time? We'll just do what we did last time. Alex, not what the Lorax looks like. All right, let's give him his eyebrow. His one eyebrow. He doesn't actually have a monobrow in the thing, but this is like our interpretation of the... Make his eyes normal eyes. Okay, we'll give him normal eyes. I know he doesn't normally have a unibrow, but we're gonna give him one. Actually, no, we're not. We're gonna do this mustache. This isn't working. I should do his mustache like we did last time, I get as well. So we'll do his eyebrows for now. That is the wrong button. And then rotation is, we'll do 10, I guess. There we go. And then copy and paste. -10. Yeah. That's his big angry eyebrows. And now we need... Oh yeah, his mustache. How is this one gonna look? What is add mesh? Ah, this is weird. I can add a circle? This is wrong. They're not supposed to be circles. Cylinder? This is just wrong. Do not have cylinders. Anywho. Let's give him his iconic mustache. Let's model it. So it's like the... So it's like kind of big and bushy. And it's kind of like this, and then bring that in. Kind of like that, to be honest. Rotate by -10. I think I need to rotate by +10 for this one. Because his mustache, like, kind of goes up. Let me try +8. That might be a better angle. Yeah, and then I can copy and paste elements. I can do -8. And then just send it straight over, except I need to grab this bit and then... There we go. And now I need to create a texture template. What bit did that paint? Oh, this surface does not have a texture? Which surface do I give a texture to? Delete texture. Create texture. How do I give it to the entire thing? Can I Control A? Create texture. Yep, there we go. He's UV mapped now. Okay, so his color, he is very orange. Is there a paint bucket tool? Yes. That's literally like the Lorax orange right there. And he is affected by shadows, so we don't need to worry about giving him shading. I could give him shoes. Should we give Gorax shoes? I think we should. I'm gonna give him shoes. Some shoes for his little feet. Yep, okay. He's got shoes. No, back, I need eye drop tool. Back to painting. Back of his head, top of his head. Side of his head. That'll... Yeah, all the orange bits are orange. Now I need like a yellow. For his mustache. White lashes. They're like a yellowy white. White or are you saying laces, like for the shoe? Because if you are, that's the shoes we got. It's nothing too fancy. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Look at him. He's gorgeous. Now I need to give him eyes. What color eyes? He can have... He has green eyes, so we'll give this one blue eyes. Or should we just leave it at that? Did he get a mouth? Are we giving him a mouth? I do need to raise this up. Yeah, we'll give him a mouth. He deserves it. Nice red, luscious lips. He's beautiful. Now I need to make an assault rifle for him to hold. Let me export this. File, export. As in, I'll get as an OBJ. Because eyes yellow or green. Please green. Fine, I'll do green. No, he's getting lips. He's beautiful. Alright, now I gotta export. Export OBJ. Documents, Godot projects. Lorax pew pew. Gorax.obj, and I need to export the texture. What, texture? How do I export texture? Texture. Save as. Here we go. Lorax. Where did I save it to, actually? Yeah, Lorax Pew Pew. I saved it to the right spot. Oh wait, it's already in there. It exported with the texture, apparently. Let me double check that. The projects. Yes, the texture is in there. Okay. Now we need to make him an assault rifle. But first, let me put him into the project. He's tiny. Oh my gosh, he's tiny. Where transform? Okay. Position 0, 0. Oh. His scale. He's big. I need to make him skinnier so he fits into the the collision. Oh. This is our lad. Give him the texture. Why is it so blurry? Why is the texture so blurry? After properties. How do we make texture less blurry, guys? We did it. We did it last time, and I don't remember how. This object is read only. How to make pixel art material not blurry. Oh, in project settings? Project settings. The textures tab? There is no textures tab. Oh, it might be in here. No. Unless, and oh, textures, I found it. Default texture, nearest map. Or just nearest. Close. Now if I it doesn't change it. He's still super blurry. Why did that not change it? I changed the project settings. Advanced settings? Oh, this is new. I'll turn that off. Default texture repeat and enabled? No. Disabled. I'm on Reddit right now. I'm currently on Reddit. Um. I don't know. So I guess he just looks like this now. I guess he just looks like this now. Is this blurry? Why is this also blurry? Do I need to reapply the texture? No, because it's... Okay, so it's not... Okay, so what is it? Changing to nearest doesn't unblur pixel art video. Just took like a 7-minute something. I'll just look at a 7-minute tutorial that helped me. I mean, I could. This is a 1-minute tutorial. Let's just look at this.
If you had a heart attack importing your pixel art into Godot 4, here's salvation for you.
I love the AI voice.
And enter textures in the search field. Select the Textures tab on the left and change the default texture filter from linear to nearest. And there you have it.
But that's what I'm doing. It's on nearest. So why is it still blurry? Why are you blurry, Lorax? Why? What made you this way? What? What made you this way, please? Let's just play the game. Oh, okay. Something's wrong here. You are the Lord. This is what he sees on a day-to-day basis. Yeah, Blurry Gorax is now his name. This is what the Gorax sees on a day-to-day basis. I need to fix that. Where's camera 3D? I just move it forward. Yeah, if I just move it forward, does that fix it? Yeah, and I can see my arms. Yeah, that fixes it. 10 out of 10. You can see like little triangles. I would give him a gun now. Now to 3D model a gun. Hey, this is terrifying, by the way. Can we just talk about how terrifying this is? His mustache and eyebrows are so glorious. I know. Right, new project. Generic model. Create new model. Right. Yeah, this. Whittle triangles. I'm gonna find him. Gun. Alright, what gun are we making, guys? What gun are we making? What does he get? What am I gonna model? I forgot. I gotta wait for YouTube stream delay. I forgot I didn't have that on Twitch, but now that I stream on YouTube, I do have that again. I'm gonna start looking up gun references while I wait for chat to appear. Gun that shoots tree seeds. Yeah, but what does the gun look like? I just gotta wait for the stupid thing. Like a minigun. Okay. Minigun. I have to pick like the most like annoying one to model possible. I'll base it off the Fortnite minigun. Alright, so I'm gonna base it off the Fortnite minigun. Fortnite minigun. Need a good reference model. Here we go. I got one. I think we should start with... No, I don't want a cube. I want a mesh. I want a circle. No, I need a cylinder. Cylinder. But we're just gonna shrink it down. How tall is that now? That's still quite a high mesh. So I think we will go with circle. Add circle. And then can I stretch it? Resize, yes. No, okay, it has to be a cylinder. Great. Cylinder. Sides. Let's just switch that to 8. Or a machine gun. That works too. Anyway, so there's so I need what, like 8 cubes. I wish there was a way to like merge them into one shape. Group elements? No, that's not right. Like, I wish there was a way to like extrude even. Yeah, if only there was a way to like group them together, like merge. I'm trying to figure out if there is, by the way. Is the grouping, but I don't think that's... I can try... No, I don't think it'll work. Oh well, we've got... how many does the... What? It has 6. Alright, yeah, we'll do 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need another one. Alright, so we're gonna position them... like here... I'll do it here instead. Here. No, it was in the right spot before. So here, here. 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 Sorry, I need to move that over by one more. And then here and here. That's the machine gun bits, and now I need to just select them all, S, and then scale up. We're just gonna scale up a bunch. I'm building this like facing down the way, in case you couldn't tell. So now it's got like another one here, and then another one here. Right, and then a box like up here. That's not right. I need to come out one more because of just how I did it. This kind of is coming along together. Kind of. looks like that, except no, I need to move it down one. This software sucks because I can't spin the camera more than 90 degrees. It clamps the camera, which is like literally not a thing that any 3D modeling software uses. Like not 3ds Max, not Blender, nothing. None of them do that. This is not really working how I wanted it to, but we're going with it. I'm actually gonna grab... Can I just select all and rotate it 90 degrees? Thank you. Thank you, software. This looks more like a turret than a... What's it called? Than a... machine gun, but oh well. A minigun. Is this centered? I don't think this is centered. No, it is. Is this not centered? Or is it just because of the texture? I think it's just because of the texture. I mean, I could do that by just going Control A. Like, Control A. Paint. And create texture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not centered. I knew it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I knew it. Make a storyline where Gorax's son turns into Lorax and has to fight him with tree seeds. What is the lore that we have established on these streams? It's whack. No, I'm gonna keep it unscented because it's funnier. I'm actually gonna make it more unscented. Wait, that looks scented. So is it this bit that's not scented? It was that bit that wasn't centered, I think. Yes. Right, how do I add, like, a way to hold this? Or am I just gonna have... You know, I'm just gonna have it like this. This is easier. Control A. Create texture of everything. Alright, now we gotta texture this. So, we're gonna get the paint bucket tool out. I want a dark grey. Oh, can I zoom in on this? How do I just do this? How do I just select this circle? Not the whole image. I don't know. Brush shape circle? Can I do that? No, that... Oh, size. Here we go. I would like a square brush. You should do all the circles. Yeah, it was the the big box. To be honest, I have no clue what box it was. Oh wait, no, those are the middle ones, so I need to... Okay, all the circles are done now. Are these the middle bits? Yes. color those in. I hate UV texturing. UV texturing is like the worst. If you have ever thought about going into 3D modeling, don't. UV texturing actually just sucks. And it's like something you have to do. Like, you can't get around doing it. Alright. Making a Minecraft mod at the time you're doing this, and I keep coming back to the most random thing. I don't know what's random. I'm just complaining about UV editing, because it sucks. Like, I'm just talking about how much I dislike UV editing. And for those who don't plan on ever 3D modeling, you're lucky, because UV editing sucks. I hate it, and it's terrible. I think I need a brighter one for these front face. Yeah, I think this grey works better. I'm just gonna paint it like this, because it's easier. Oh, it does suck that I don't have any lighting, so I can't see how the lighting would bounce off of this. Like, again, back to why this software is terrible. I'm just annoyed Blender isn't installed on my computer. In Blender, I could just add a light source to see how lighting will bounce off of the thing. I can't do that here. Yeah, click that and click there. I got it. And then there's this final ring here. Is that it all done? Oh, wait, there's still one more. There we go. Alright, so that's that done there. Now I gotta do these boxes. What color is the machine going to be? Did you do a stream doing a Minecraft mod that has nothing to do with the door? It's just a good old Minecraft mod? Impossible. My entire brand on this platform is the Lorax. Like, every single... I think every single YouTube stream I've done so far, all 4 of them, right, has had something to do with the Lorax. I don't know why. It just, you know, this is the Lorax gun, so it's got to be orange. Alright, let me export this now. File, export, obj, gun, racks. Let me import the gun racks. I'm probably gonna have to make a new node, I assume. Actually, I haven't even coded this yet. I'm actually gonna link it to the camera. So, no, sit under the camera. That way it'll move with the camera. I need gun racks, and I need to transform to 0, 0, 0. Then I need to rotate. I'm just gonna do it on here. It's easy to actually type in the values. And then I need to... I wish there was a way to preview the camera like there is in Unity. But to be honest, who really cares? And then I need to get the texture.png. Oh my goodness, this is... I think that's the wrong texture. No, that's the... Oh my goodness, this is the correct texture. It's... Because of the blurriness, it's so terrible. Oh, this game is awful. If I look up, I can see the inside of my eyebrows. This game is awful. I need to scale the gun racks. And that's not right. Scale. No, link. Scale them. That's better. Except I could probably move it forward just a wee bit. Oh, it kind of looks like he's holding it now. If you just... It kind of... You should be able to set the rendering clipping for the camera. I know, but this is funnier. I know, Cyric, but this is so much funnier to me. Like, it goes through the ground. Oh, this game is beautiful. I'm falling in love with it more and more. Can I grab the gun racks, or is it stuck like that? Why does the box blend with his arm? I don't know. But you know what? It's beautiful. This is this is gonna be game of the year right here. Lorax Gun Simulator 2024. It falls into the ground. Why? Why is it so big, actually? What? Why can I not grab the gun? Is it not real in this space? I'm gonna re-import the character, actually. Re-import player. I think that worked. Now I can scale. Transform. Where is transform here? I can scale. Big gun go pew pew with let's. I haven't. Why does the gun not? The gun bit doesn't scale with it. Why? Oh, is it because it's linked to the camera? But I need the idea. Let's also link the model to the camera. Just wait. What did I do? Alright, let's get the camera then. Oh, wait, I was gonna say let's just move the camera. Wait, what if I move the Gorax, link it to the head instead of the camera? I forgot he's he's still massive. This is a predicament, isn't it? What if I link the gun racks to the head and then the Gorax back to this? What does that do? Oh, that fixed it. Okay, now I don't care, Steam. Steam, what? Did Godot just crash? The Gorax is too powerful. I mean, the program just crashed, so I guess we're restarting it anyway. This software is so... I love this software. It's beautiful. Where is Godot? There it is. I needed to minimize my applications. We're back. We're back. I really hope it saved my change. I think it did, yes. So now if I go here, can I shrink? can I shrink this? Transform. Scale. The gun shrinks too now. Hip hip hooray. Try what the video said now. I will in a second. Why? I need to move the camera forward. Yes, I will in a second. Camera, just... I can make it... I can change the FOV. No, we don't want that. Let's just move it. It's now actually in front of the... It should not be able to see it. It's now in front of it. I mean, you can see it briefly, but this is so much better. We did it. This feels like a Roblox game. Yeah, let me try what the video said now. Project settings, textures. It's still on nearest. I don't know. I don't know. I guess I never will. It could just be because it was made of block. It could very well be because it was done. Which will be next stream, which will be next week sometime. Actually, what day is it today? It's Monday, so this week sometime. Probably Sunday, or probably Saturday or Sunday. One of the two. I will have Blender installed, so we will be able to see if that's the issue. It could just be like the model typing. This is actually beautiful. So now how do I make it shoot? Actually, before we make it shoot, what we should do is did the software just freeze? Oh, no. I thought it froze for a second, but it's just because I accidentally let go of right click. Alright, so here's the Lorax, he's here. We need to make an enemy. What is he going to shoot? Make him shoot seats. But I don't want to do raycasting. Fine, alright. Google how to add pew pew. Actually, let me move this over so you guys can also watch this tutorial. How to add pew pew to Godot for... You know what? Better idea. Chat GPT. How would I add... So, in Godot 4, how would I add the pew pew to my already made character controller? Please wait one message before answering so I can give you my character controller. Alright, now I'm telling you right now, my girlfriend is going to scream at me because I said I'm going to start teaching her, and I specifically told her not to use ChatGPT. I specifically told her that she is not to. Make him shoot himself. No, this is not what I want. I want to apply this to my current existing code. Can you apply this to my existing code? Yes, I've been given it. Your shooting logic goes here. Yeah, I don't have shooting logic. Like, I asked it to add that. What do you mean the shooting logic goes here? I literally... Rest of your existing code. What do you mean rest of my existing code? Remove the AI, you're failing me. Remove the rest. And add the rest of my code. I just want to be able to Control C, Control V this. If I see another input your thing here, I will scream. And I will use the built-in Opera GX one. Because Opera GX has built-in AI now. Thank you. Wait, no, that didn't add the rest of my code. All that did is remove it. Wait, let's look at my code. What's it end with? Collision shape dot shape. Shape dot shape. So where's that? So it ends on the look rotation bit. Oh, it ends. So all I have to do is add the crouch function. Okay, that's not. You know, I can deal with that. It's because you're mean. Say please and thank you. Trust the process. I should be saying please and thank you to the AI. Wait, I need to copy this to I need to copy this to a text file so I don't lose it. Alright, just put that there. Now I can... Nope, just... Oh wait, there's a copy code button. I can just... There's a copy code button. Right, and then I can Control C this bit. Yeah, I need to add a timer. Alright, what do I attach the timer to? Just... I guess I'll just add it here. Timer. Wait, yeah, 1 second. And now I need to import that here. Is it done? Okay, can I copy this? Can I copy this error code? No. I can turn to Obama, but can't make one line of code. Exactly. My shooting logic... I just realized that. I need shooting logic. I need to find on timer timeout. So Control F on underscore timer timeout. There's only 2 matches. Here and here. I don't even know anymore. Sirik, what's going? Why is this an error? Sirik, you know it more than I do. There's 5 errors. Use tab character for identification. Change space. Is it? Wait, is it just because of that? No, that just also adds an error. This function declaration is correct. Expected indented block, which is right here. Used tab character instead of space as used before in the file. I don't know. Spawn bullet and move it. I don't know. On line 70. Wait, yeah, I can just copy this bit here. I'm getting the error. Come on, ChatGPT. provided me with the code again, ensuring proper indentation. Please check and replace your existing code. I'm just going to copy paste, so if it's wrong, it's on you. Sure that the indent is consistent. Please double check the indent around line 78 and make sure there is no stray spaces or tabs causing the issue. So now I copy. Also, again, it doesn't have my crouching function. Expected indented block. I am getting the exact same error. And it's your fault because I copy pasted. I apologize. There seems there might be a formatting with the response. I'll provide the corrected code. Well, yeah, I think it is, but spaces do work. Like, I'm literally copying the exact same code. Did you figure it out, Sirik? Did you? It's because there's nothing in the shooting logic function. Oh my goodness, you're right. It's just blank, so it's trying to call this bit into the... Oh, you're actually right. This is why we don't use AI, kids. Can I just put pass? How do you add pass again? Do I have to... Nope. I think I was right the first time. No, this is... Can I just do a return? No, that's wrong again. Can I just... console.print. How do you print in... Is this right? This sucks. No, that's not how you print. This sucks. Why is nothing? Why do I have so many errors? Right, invalid argument for connect, function callable. Okay, so first one on line 27. Shoot timer.connect, timeout self on timer timeout. I'm just gonna do. It seems there was an incorrect connection in the ready function. So now I replace my ready function. You're killing me, ChatGPT. Did anything change? Yes, there was a change. Now the functions. I'm just gonna... Can I just copy all of the errors? But it seems there was an issue with the provided code. Here indicates there was a problem. Let me correct the code for you. It's because there's nothing in the Wouldn't this be limited to one bullet at a time because it's using one timer? Yes, but I can fix it later. Please copy and paste the corrected code into your script. If the error persists, let me know and I'll continue. And we'll, not we'll continue. You'll continue. You're gonna continue until this works. I'm not giving up on ChatGPT. It's only this. It is only this now. Oh wait, no, but it's because of this. Now I just put a pass in. I'm gonna scream. I'm actually gonna scream. Wait, I'm gonna say are you using... Wait, can you add some shooting logic into this script? Let's just get it to throw some shooting logic into this script. Create a new scene for the bullet, add a rigid body or kinematic body for the root. I'll definitely add rigid because I like physic. What do you mean you're existing? Brother, have you gone insane? Absolutely. Absolutely. Just go back to the original, but I want pew pew. The thing is, I know how to do pew pew. You just shoot out a ray cast. I don't know how ray... You know what? I give up. I'm going back to my original code. I'm just gonna do raycasting. I will learn about raycasting in Godot. Just any errors? Any errors? No errors. Okay, I'm gonna remove the timer. Delete node. Alright, let's just... Does it work? Yes. Okay, it does work. I can see my legs again. Okay. So, how does raycasting work in... Raycasting Godot. Let me pull up the docs. Even though it's common task in game design, it's casting a Rails custom shipped object and checking what it hits. This enables complex behaviors, AI, etc. to take place. This tutorial will explain how to do this in 2D and 3D. Godot stores all the low-level game information in servers, while the scene is only a front-end. As such, raycasting is generally a lower level task. For simple raycasts, nodes like Raycast 3D and Raycast 2D work, as they return every frame what there is. Many times raycasting needs to be a more interactive process, so a way to do this by code must exist. Exit space in a physics mode, goes blah blah blah. It will be obtained by this. Actually, I want 3D, not 2D. Now I gotta look at... Oh, this is just node 3D. Where is the current 3D resource is registered to? You know what? How to add gun Godot. FPS tutorial.
How to make an assault rifle in Godot. Start with a first-person character controller. Watch my video on FPS controllers if you don't know how to make one. Right-click on the camera node and add a raycast as a child.
Alright, why didn't I just do this before? This would have saved me so much time and mental breakdowns. Camera 3D, add chub, raycast, 3D. Yep. No, I just opened Discord. I don't want Discord open. I need to reopen. Oh, it's garbage. Oh, MC Creator. Yeah, MC Creator is rubbish. I learnt that, but I only use it because I can't be bothered to learn Java. I just cannot be bothered. Right.
Set its cast to 0 on the y-axis and something like -200 on the
-200 on the z-axis. That is a long array. That is a very, very specific... Like, this is a very accurate... very accurate rifle. How far did I go? Oh my goodness. I've hit top speed as well. I think I've gone past it. Can I hit Z to return? How do I center my camera on it? Uh-oh. Um, Ruh-roh. Where's Raycast? Alright, Raycast just... If I set to 0, does it get rid of it? No, it's still here. Now, if I set it to 10 million... Oh, it is still here. Okay, I just need to keep going. That's how I'll know when it disappears, when the second line vanishes. Once the second line is gone, then I know I've gone past it. Don't do this, guy. There's probably just like a button that I can press that like centers. Wait. No, I thought that view button meant like view the object you're focused on. Wasn't it like F? It was F. Thank you very much. Yeah, it was F. Thank you very much. Again, I don't know my way around the Godot engine. Alright. So, I've got Raycast.
Z-axis. Check the box to enable the raycast.
Yeah, it's enabled.
Then, right-click on the camera node again, and add a spatial node as a child as well.
Add a spatial node. Spatial. What is spatial? Spatial. Is it? I feel like it's been renamed since Godot. Is it called like World? No. I feel like it might have been renamed since Godot 3. Is there anything in the comments? Make it a spatial note and make it a child. What? What is the spatial node? Spatial node Godot. Oh, this is from Godot 2. Can it tell me that it's been outdone? Spatial node object base class for 3D. Oh, it's probably a node 3D. It's probably just a node 3D. That might do it. Yeah, I kept yeeting myself since I started like 2 months ago, so learning some short. Yeah, I should probably learn the shortcuts. That's like I usually do that when I'm learning new things.
To hand. Move hand forward a bit so that it approximates where a hand might be if it were holding.
So rename to hand
Holding a gun. Next, let's
to if it were holding a gun. So hand is now going to move to the actual hand of the Lorax. And when I say hand, I mean it's there. It's going on the machine gun.
make the gun. Right-click on hand and add a mesh instance node as a child of it. Give it a cube mesh and adjust its size and shape until it looks kind of like a gun. Then click on the camera node, click on the camera preview at the top left, then click on the hand node and under transform, adjust its translation.
Okay, I'm gonna put the gun racks under hand. Also, wait, you can... Oh my goodness, I wish I saw this earlier. Transform. Okay. Back to camera, preview, hand, position. This is 10% game making content right here. 10 out of 10. Where would it go? Like, I assume, like, there, right? Yeah.
Until the gun is in a good spot. If you want, you can change the color of the gun, but I'll leave that up to you. Next, let's create a firing animation. Right-click on the main node and add an animation player. Click on the
Right. Add animation player. This is too complex for me.
animation button and select new. Call the new
Animation. I can stop previewing now.
animation assault
Actually, I think I'm supposed to still... In the tutorial, he's still previewing.
fire. I set the length of the animation to 0.8 seconds.
So I need a new... How do I add a new one again? I did this last time. I could figure this out on my own. I knew. There we go. I did it. I did that last time. Pew is what I'll call it.
Seconds, though that ended up being too long and we'll be changing that soon. But anyways, click on the mesh instance node and under transform, click on the white key icon next to translation, and in the window that pops up, click create, which
Well, okay, so click on the gun next to transform. Is this on position or rotation?
key icon next to translation, and in
It's a translation. What is translation? Well, considering scale and rotation of the other ones, I'm going to assume it's add a keyframe.
the window that pops up, click
Wait, it said not to use Bezier curves. Okay, yeah, it's not ticked.
create, which will create the first keyframe of the animation. Then move the blue animation slider over a bit, move the gun back a little bit on the Z-axis for
Wait, I need to increase the length of the... How do I increase the length? No, I need to decrease the length. Never mind. I need to go 0.2. 0.2.
For some recoil, click the key icon again. Move the gun back a little bit on the Z.
So move it back just a wee bit. And then add a keyframe.
axis for some recoil. Click the key icon again, and then move the slider to the end of the animation. Set the Z translation back to 0, and click the key icon.
Move to the end. Can I just copy this? Yeah, can I just... I can't copy this keyframe. Duplicate keys. Never mind. Yes, I can. So if I play it now. Yay! Yay! Can I move this keyframe here? Can I bring it closer? I need to shorten this. How do I shorten? Like, I did this last time. I can figure it out, guys. Trust me. Time. There we go. It's 0.3. Yeah, we look at that.
One last time. This animation ended up being too slow, so I changed the length of the animation to 0.08 seconds, and I just
0.08? That's very short. But you know what? I'll do it. I need to lessen the snapping. To like there and there. There, actually, that's a lot better. I can spam it and it goes pew 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 pew.
Just move the keyframes over to fit the new animation length. On the right, if this loop animation icon is blue, which means it's on, make sure to turn it off so the animation doesn't loop forever. Now we can begin coding. In the script, we're going to create a new variable. var damage equals 10, which controls how much damage our assault rifle does. Adjust this to your liking. Create a reference to our animation.
Okay, so back to the start. Okay, so I'm gonna make this an exported variable. It doesn't do it in the tutorial, but I'm gonna do that anyway. because I would like to be able to adjust it whenever I would like.
Animation player by writing onReadyVar anim_player equals $animation player. Create a
This is different. Like, it's at onReady, not just... Well, actually, onReady might work. I don't know. I actually know how to do this one. I can just drag that there.
reference to our camera by writing onReadyVar camera equals $head/camera, and our
I already have the head established.
raycast by writing onReadyVar raycast equals $head/camera/ray.
Oh wait, that's head and camera. Okay, those are two separate ones. I've just looked at his code and I'm like, might actually have to add this. Camera equals, let's just drag camera 3D at onReady var raycast equals raycast 3D. Look at this. I'm a professional. I am a professional game developer.
Raycast. Next, we're going to create a function for firing the gun.
Func input event. I already got this on here. But he's making a new function, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to do that too. But I just noticed because he's got it too.
Fire, open close parentheses. Then go to project and project settings, and in the input map tab, make sure you have a key binding called fire.
Yeah, I actually did that earlier. I'm professional. You could call me a professional. Here, because I'm so professional. Mouse buttons, left mouse. Close.
If you don't, go ahead and make one now. Next, we're going to write if input.isActionPressedFire.
Okay, if input dot is underscore action underscore action just pressed action pressed Q, then I want the animation player. This is probably not what he's telling me to do, but I just want to play the animation. Pew pew. I don't know if this will work or not. I just realized I forgot the colon here. Is that right? Expected indent. Oh, I didn't indent it. I'm just gonna test if this actually pew pews my stuff. No, it doesn't. Great. Oh well.
animplayer.play assault fire.
Oh, he actually did want me to do the code.
When we hold down the fire button, then write else animplayer.stop, which
Else anim_player.stop.
stops the firing animation when you let go of the fire button. We also need to tell Godot to run the fire function, and so in physics process, write fire.
Oh wait, yeah, it probably didn't shoot because I didn't actually make it run the function. The function was not being detected. Physics process, I don't have that in line. I should add that. Function underscore physics process. I want to times by delta just because it doesn't even say that in the video. I just want that by delta. Fire. Cool fire. Oh, I have something wrong. Oh wait, it's still indented. That's why. Professional here, guys. Professional. Still wrong? What? Is it not called physics process? Godot 4 documentation. No, it is called physics process. I'm on the. I am on here. So why error? Oh wait, it apparently has already been declared. That's why error. It has already been declared. Oh yeah, it's here. Oh, it's actually a very big one, that's why. It's still okay. In here. Fire. Was it called fire? Yes. It's because it was. I should have just read the error. Does it work now? Yeah, I can pew pew. I think I need to make the animation just a wee bit longer because when I hold it, it kind of breaks. Animation. Let's just increase the length of the animation. That's not it. Where was? Oh, it's here. Oh, yeah, let's do by that. Now let's try. Oh, I thought it was just constantly playing the animation over and over again. It's not. It's just because I'm. It's just because the textures are so blurry. Yawn. I think after I get the pew pew working, I'm gonna end stream, and then next stream we're gonna actually add enemies. Or maybe I'll do that off stream. I don't know. Maybe I'll do that off stream, and then I'll finish my video, which is about the Lorax pew pew. And then you'll get the game with the video. I'll publish it on itch.io. Kill the Lorax, or kill the Once-Through simulator. It just like keeps spawning them. When you have to just keep killing them. Oh, see, that's what the game will be. I might actually do that. I don't know if I'll do it on stream or not. You guys let me know if you would like to see that on stream, or if you'd like to wait for a video.
Open close parentheses. Run the game, and when you hold down fire, the animation plays, and when you let go, it stops. Next, let's make the gun do damage. Under this line, write if not anim player.isPlaying, print fired a shot. As you saw earlier, when you hold down fire, the firing animation loops over and over again. But in between each loop, there is a single frame where the animation is not playing. Here, we can add any behavior that we only want to happen once per animation loop. For example, when we run the game and hold fire, the console will print fired a shot once every animation loop. This is useful because then you can adjust the fire rate of the gun simply by changing the playback speed of the animation. Anyways, back in the script, we'll delete print fired a shot.
Should you make the stream at least in a few days? Oh yeah, no, it'd probably be later this week. Probably at the Saturday or Sunday. No, I might do that because it would give me time to what's it called? It would give me time to edit. I could edit this stream down, put it into the thing, and then all I have left is one stream left to edit. You know, I might do that actually. I will stream. I'll stream later this week.
Is colliding, var target equals raycast.getCollider. If target.isInGroupEnemy, target.health minus equals damage. So for every loop of the firing animation, the game will check if the raycast is colliding with something, and if the
Oh, them fighting. I promise I'll stream. I'll stream. I stream so often, guys. Trust me. I know I say, guys, I'll stream tomorrow, and then I don't stream for 4 hours. But I'll 4 hours. That's 4 like weeks. Well, I'll stream. I actually have studies coming up, so I have to get these streams out while I can, while I do have free time. In like 2 weeks, expect less streams than usual because I do have studies. I am studying to be a game nerd. The studies are about Unity. I hate Unity, but it's for a degree, so
the colliding object is in the group enemy, then it will decrease its health by our damage amount. To test the gun,
Wait, I wasn't paying attention to the video.
the game will check health.
Alright. Where is the pew? Alright, if pew before they play the thing, I wanna, if not anim underscore player dot is underscore playing, if raycast dot is underscore lighting, variable target equals raycast dot get underscore collider. I did minus, not equals. Garby said you need to tell the bullet to start knowing where it isn't. Who is Garby? Should I know who that is? Oh wait, it's the guy I'm... Wait, the guy I'm watching's name is Garbat. Do you know who this YouTuber is? They're very similar names. I wasn't paying attention. Garbat. Yeah, okay, yeah, you know who I'm watching right now. I mean, you said that you just started learning Godot recently, so makes sense. What is underscore in underscore group enemy semicolon then target dot health minus equals damage. So why is this an error now? Oh, because I wrote rackiest, not raycast. Honestly, 90% of my errors are just because I can't spell. Like if you were here earlier, we had the crouch situation. Which I wrote crouch instead of crouch like 4 times. But oh well.
Minus equals damage. So for every loop of the firing animation, the game will check if the raycast is colliding with something, and if the colliding object is in the group enemy, then it will decrease its health by our damage amount. To test the gun, I'm using this enemy character that I use in a lot of my tutorials. It's got...
I should create an enemy. This will just be like a placeholder enemy, because I will eventually add an actual enemy. Let me create new. Just what am I adding? Not a node 3D. What would I add for? I guess a kinematic body. Could do that. Kinematic. It's not called a kinematic body. Kinematic body Godot. This is from Godot 3. What is it called now? Physics body? No. I mean, maybe. Physics body. Wait, what was that under? No, 3D. Under collision and then physics. collision, and then physics. Here we go. Oh, probably static? No, it wouldn't be. There's rigid. Character. I guess character's probably kinematic. Yeah, character's probably kinematic. Character. Okay, I need to add a collision and a mesh. Add collision shape 3D, which can be a capsule, and add a mesh instance 3D, which can also be a capsule. This is enemy, not enemy placeholder. I need to attach a script. Sure. We're just gonna budding a badum. Wait, actually, I need from this point because I still need the extends. Health equals 100. Function underscore ready. Pass. Why do we need function ready if it's just passed? I don't know. Godot's weird. Delta. If health minus, not minus, it's less than 0. And Q3? I don't know what that does.
At 100 health, and if its health goes to 0, then it dies. Watch my video on hit scan weapons to learn more about how these enemies work. I've gone ahead and added a crosshair to my FPS controller to make it easier to see where I'm aiming at. I have a tutorial on crosshairs if you don't know how to make one. But anyways, as you can see, when I shoot at an enemy, they'll take damage on every loop of...
Alright, now let's try this. No, that's broken again. Oh wait. Because I need a colon. Yippee! I'm actually going to edit the animation a bit. Just this frame here. Camera, back to 3D space. Preview. To here, I want to get the gun racks and I want to move it back more. I want lots of recoil. There we go. Now if I play it. Oh! Uh-oh. It broke. Dot is underscore player. Good day. Let's go to the docs. If not, an employer. Okay, I think this is something ChatGPT could help with. I know I had a breakdown earlier. This is weird. Good. ChatGPT told me it's right. How do I fix this? It was working earlier, that's the thing. So why did it stop? Non-existent function is player in base animation player. Huh. ChatGPT, I probably should have asked ChatGPT about that code. Error in Godot 4. Non-existent function. I found 9 diamonds in a cave, now I have 25. Damn. Fire. Non-existent function is underscore player in base animation player. You're gonna head off now? Alright. I'm probably gonna end stream sometime soon anyway, so. Goodbye, Mr. Freddy Fazbear. Oh. I'm just gonna Google this error. Do I have this on ready? On ready, anim player. Anim underscore player equals animation player, which is that bit there. Is it just missing like a capital or something?
100 health. Test the object is in the group enemy, then it will decrease.
If not anim player dot is underscore playing. I'm so stupid. I'm actually so stupid. Chat, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Alright, let's add an enemy. So let me collision shape. I don't need that big, do I? Scale. I just need to, and then just drag it down. Let me do 15. They're all 15 wide. And then let me get the static body and no, not the mesh, sorry. And transform that to be 15. Wait, I should just do this. There we go, and then I need to character body and just boo womp. You know? Where is transform? Here. Transform. Boo womp. Wait, I can make him negative scale? That's a thing you can do in Godot. That's awesome. And then can I instantiate an enemy placeholder? Right, now if I hit play. Wait, that it's attached to me. Wait. It's attached. I need to unattach it from me. Now if I go here. Is this doing any damage? I'm gonna change the enemy to have 1 health. It's not hitting. It's... How do I get to print in console? Console dot print. No. Print. Is it just print? Is that it? Dead. Oh, that's awesome. Where's the raycast? The hand. It's originating from the gun. Can I just spin a bunch? Eventually it'll work. Why not disappear? Maybe it hits only if you're crouched. I don't think so, but... Give it a shot. No. Yeah, crouched. See? It's okay. I've been doing it like all day. Typing crouch. Alright, this doesn't work. Why no work? Where is the hand located on the player? Because it shoots from the hand. Right? Okay, hand. What if I move the camera to be what if I move the gun to be attached to the camera instead of the hand? And then I move the hand to the end of the camera. This probably won't work, but I mean, it's worth a shot at least. Raycast. I think I need to attach the raycast to the hand. Can I preview the raycast? Oh, I figured out why it isn't shooting. I wonder which way it needs to shoot. Negative 200. There we go. It was shooting out the back of his head. No, it's still not working. Alright, let me try what I was trying. Or I could just move it slightly forward. And try that too. Why does this not work? This game is so crap. I mean, this is gonna be game of the year. This is gonna be game of the year. Wait, now the fire doesn't work. It doesn't shoot. Why doesn't it shoot? Okay, I need to pull back up the script. Head. Okay, I'm just gonna remove all these and we're gonna re-put them on. So head is head. Collision shape. It's player collision. Topcast is topcast. Camera is camera 3D. Raycast is Raycast 3D. Save. It doesn't shoot anymore. Why doesn't it shoot? What is wrong? Where's the shooting bit? Finish play is playing, yep. Oh wait, it got rid of the the middle bit. Why is okay, so I need to move this back. Add keyframe. No, that's the wrong place to put the keyframe. Put keyframe here. Okay. That works now. Now, unpreview. It is shooting forward from the perspective of the camera all the way 200 things away, all the way to here. Right? So why no view? Why no view? Why no say is dead? By the way, when I crouch, I'm pretty sure the model itself doesn't actually crouch. Yeah, it doesn't. The model itself doesn't have the hitbox. The hitbox shrinks, but the model itself does not. If I turn this into multiplayer, you could just run around crouching and, like, permanently be immune to everything. I'm not ending stream till I figure this out. You know what? I am gonna end stream because I'm very tired. I will be streaming on the weekend though. I might before the weekend. I'm gonna figure this bit out. Wait, you know what? No, we're not.
Its health by our damage amount. To test the gun, I'm using this enemy character.
What do I have
that
damage
use
set
in a lot
to?
of my tutorials. It's got 100 health, and if its health goes to 0, then it dies. Watch my video on hit scan
Now it is
weapons to
10.
learn more about how these enemies work. I've gone
Hit scan weapons. Where is this hit scan weapons tutorial? I need this tutorial. No, I'm not ending the stream yet.
first-person shooters. There are two common types of guns: hit scan and projectile weapons. In this Godot tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make hit scan as a cube-shaped mesh instance. In it, we're going to write var health equals 200. This is bad guy's total health. Then we're going to write func underscore process delta if health less than or equal to 0, queue free. So if bad guy's health drops to 0 or goes below 0, then it'll be deleted from the game. The last thing we want to do is click on the node tab on the right, click on groups, write enemy.
I'm dumb. I didn't group him. I didn't group him. Group.
Box and click add. This
Manage groups. What did I call the group? That counts. What did I call? I'm actually dumb. Enemy. Enemy. Add. enemy. No, wait. Manage groups. You are enemy group. Add. You are not enemy group. Did we get it working? He's dead. He's dead. We need to rewrite Q3. Q3. We did it, gang. We did it. He's dead. We've done it. We killed the president. The president has been assassinated by the Lorax. Alright. Next stream I will actually add, maybe I'll make it a target shooter. Yeah, I'll make it a target shooter where you have to shoot spots, and if you shoot a spot it plants a tree. Pacifist Lorax. There is tree seeds, you know? So I'm gonna make it so that you shoot targets. This is gonna be the game. You shoot targets and it grows a tree. There we go. We've done it. So you had him on unfriendly fire. Yeah, we had friendly fire on. I can set health to like 100, right? There we go. It plants a tree on their body. No, I don't want to have to program AI. I don't want to do that. I'm already going to have to do that on my next project, which I'm not revealing yet. Because I'm going to make a full video at it. I'm going to stream it. Of course. Because I stream like pretty much all my coding. But I will be doing AI for my next one. I'm not doing AI on this one. I cannot be, but I don't want to. I've done AI in Unity. It sucks. But yes, I will be streaming some more. I might actually stream my assignments. Maybe I should do that. My assignments for my studies. Alright, yeah, I gotta head off. I'm so tired. I don't have work tomorrow. Actually, I don't have work tomorrow. If I'm not doing anything at like 7 o'clock tomorrow, I'm gonna stream again. We'll finish this project. That's my plan for tomorrow. Get my editing, get as much editing as I've done through the day. Get to 7 o'clock, stream, finish this project, and have the video out by the end of the week. That's the goal. Video out by the end of the week. Wish me luck, gang. Anyway, I have so many tabs I need to close. My headphones are actually screaming at me saying my battery is low. So, I should probably end stream. How are you still doing this? You're back? Or I'm literally about to end stream. But look what I did. He dies now. Bye, yeah. I'm about to head off, so. But yes, next stream, expect less coding, but more level design. Because we've pretty much got all the coding for the game done. The only coding I really need left to do is create the tree when the target is shot. And title screens and stuff. So yeah, not much coding next stream. There will be a lot of level. You're gonna see how good I am at 3D modeling and level design. I'm gonna go all out on this game. Still, the textures will be terrible though, because I'm bad at texturing. But alright, I'm gonna actually end stream now because my headphones are screaming at me, and I'm out of water and my throat hurts. So you're just making an aim trainer, pretty much, but I'm gonna put it on speedrun.com, so you guys can speedrun this game. But the game will not be out until I get the video done. That's when I will release the game. Can you make a crosshair? No. I'm not making a crosshair. Actually, no, I'll add a crosshair probably. I'll probably add a crosshair. But yeah, I'll try and fix. I'm not gonna fix pixel art. I can't believe it. But yes, I know I've said it like 12 times. I don't have an ending soon tab. So just real quickly,